Uyo orengo munachebino munene haigemeye nse David Maraga igo hagendete gwecokia na kuikira burai bwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza nsebe burai bwayo murai benso musike William Ruto ukwana chingiki cyo Maraga niga terubune serikali igo yasinyire gukura kiguraburu hekyo kigendete kwene kigwa haigeme yensi ya Kenya anena sabarai bo kwamerelia serikali.
Government is acting illegally. In fact, I could say that the Ruto regime has become a criminal enterprise. They are acting illegally, and that's why they are using unmarked vehicles. They are the police officers who are used even mask themselves, and they are in civilian clothes against the court orders that have required them to be in uniform with their police force numbers so that they are identified. A government which has nothing to hide does not act like that. There is no reason whatsoever why a government should be involved in acts of criminality and hide behind unmarked vehicles and masks. So that's what we are saying, that Kenyans as a whole, I want to appeal to you. We are slowly descending to the state of Haiti. Haiti started like this. Now, if you get government engaging goons to disrupt legal proceedings, including church worship proceedings, what are you telling the country? I want to appeal to all Kenyans that we stand up and say no to what is happening. If we don't do that, we are slowly descending into the state of Haiti.